So here we go with the Burrow Max Mini Bike Final. Got Carter Turpin out of Illinois, Brody Miracle from Texas, Jet Jordan, and Chase Cole, the local riders here from North Carolina. And the green flag drops and they're away. Electric Bike Final. Track still just a touch slick and the street tire is going to make it really difficult. Brody Miracle still upright to the chicane this time. Carter Turpin about finds his way to the ground. Coming around the lead, lap number 1, Chase Cole out in front. Brody Miracle runs second. Carter Turpin in third, and Jet Jordan rounding out the field here on lap number 1. Chase Cole extending the lead ever so slightly. Brody holds on to P2. Carter still in third, with Jet Jordan running fourth. Chase Cole still out in front, extending his lead, got nearly an entire straightaway over Brody Miracle. And coming around to take the white flag, 1 lap to go for Chase Cole. Chase Cole catching the back of the pack, looking to put Jet Jordan a lap down, coming to the checkered flag. And the checkered flag flies. Chase Cole is going to be your winner here on the Burrow Max Electric Bikes. Brody Miracle stays upright to finish in second. Carter Turpin in third. And Jet Jordan is going to round out the field.